choice questions, MCQs, based on Andrew Marvell's poem, To His Coy Mistress, along with their answers. MCQs. 1. What is the primary theme of To His Coy Mistress? A. The inevitability of death. B. The beauty of nature. C. The urgency of love. D. The power of time. Answer. C. The urgency of love. 2. In the poem, what does the speaker suggest they would do if they had world enough and time? A. Travel the world. B. Write poetry. C. Spend time contemplating love. D. Build a home. Answer. C. Spend time contemplating love. 3. What does the speaker mean by, my vegetable love should grow? A. Love that is slow and steady. B. Love that is vibrant and colorful. C. Love that is fleeting. D. Love that is superficial. Answer. A. Love that is slow and steady. 4. Which historical reference is made in the line, love you 10 years before the flood? A. The biblical flood. B. The flood of a river. C. A metaphor for time. D. A historical event. Answer. A. The biblical flood. 5. What does the speaker imply will happen to beauty and love in the face of time? A. They will flourish. B. They will be eternal. C. They will decay and fade. D. They will transform. Answer. C. They will decay and fade. 6. What literary device is primarily used in the phrase, Time's winged chariot hurrying near? A. Metaphor. B. Personification. C. Alliteration. D. Simile. Answer. B. Personification. 7. What does the speaker mean by, deserts of vast eternity? A. A barren landscape. B. The emptiness of death. C. A place of eternal love. D. A metaphor for life. Answer. B. The emptiness of death. 8. What is the significance of the marble vault mentioned in the poem? A. It represents wealth. B. It symbolizes death and burial. C. It signifies beauty. D. It represents nature. Answer. B. It symbolizes death and burial. 9. What does the speaker suggest about the act of love in the grave? A. It is a sacred act. B. It is a private and lonely place. C. It is eternal. D. It is joyful. Answer. B. It is a private and lonely place. 10. What does the phrase, while the youthful hue sits on thy skin like morning dew, suggest? A. The fleeting nature of youth. B. The permanence of beauty. C. The importance of nature. D. The inevitability of aging. Answer. A. The fleeting nature of youth.